Hard work, diligence and quality awareness. Those are the things that make BUTTING great. The success and bond we have created with BUTTING over just a short period of time show that the two companies truly understand each other. We are quality leaders in many areas, which is what really puts us ahead of the competition. I have known BUTTING for over 40 years, and we've worked with BUTTING for all of our large orders, including this one. Progress by tradition. I always say that tradition is passing on the fire, not the ashes. We process corrosion-resistant steels. Our core competencies lie in material and welding technology and in manufacturing technology as a whole. Pipes are the main product that we manufacture. We assemble our products for the customer on site, traditional plant construction. For me, the key to success is listening. We don't go to the customer and only try to sell him what we have. We listen to what he really needs, what challenges he's facing, and then offer him a tailored solution. We can do this as BUTTING has a huge range of different technical options available, thanks to our wide range of machinery and diverse areas of expertise. I can't think of any jobs where we've replied to requests with, "We don't do that, we can't do that." It doesn't matter who's sitting at the table. Hierarchy is not an issue. We listen to the employees who bring in the good ideas and try to implement them. I never want to have a discussion where I say, "That's not good, that's not good." I want a solution.
We take on any challenge, and basically we're happy if we can make the customer happy again.
Yes, the Cornus tubular ring pressure vessel certainly is a good example where a customer came along who had an idea but couldn't find a company which could manufacture the product with the tolerances they needed. You really have to go a long way to find someone capable of that. And at the time, we were in a position to create the first prototypes of the customer's dream product, so to speak, in a very short period of time. From the development of the first prototypes to the drawings, right up to the current optimizations, BUTTING has been a great partner as they take on changes, improvements, optimizations and further developments with great enthusiasm. And both parties benefit from working with one another. What makes me happiest at the end of the day is how uncomplicated we work with one another. Although everything doesn't always go to plan, BUTTING never lets this affect the dedicated way they work. Because we work together so well within the BUTTING group, we can always react. And we try to keep this short chain of command going in all areas of the business. Customers must be able to rely on us. BUTTING has a huge team which is always ready to tackle both small and, above all, very large orders. We have grown 22-fold during my 30 years at Niederauer Müller, and that only works when the partnership works. You could say that the typical BUTTING quality is built right into the employees.
There's a great sense of quality awareness at BUTTING.
If everyone takes responsibility for the job they do, something good will come out of it, because responsibility has got something to do with quality. Our foundation is built on trusting each other's words.
Honesty. If you make a mistake, you must admit it.
Everyone makes mistakes, but we can always get things back under control. The worst thing that can happen for us is if a customer notifies us of a mistake. As long as we notice the mistakes we make and admit it, everything is fine. Here in the countryside, the people live in a very close community. And when they come to work at the same place, it's like a big family, a big team where everyone knows everyone else.
Of course, there are lots of families working here at BUTTING. Couples have met here and got married, and their children have also come into the company.
We have third-generation employees at the company today.
A large proportion of our employees did an apprenticeship here, and since then have continued working for us for 20 or 30 years.
At job interviews here, we always say we're looking for long-term employees, preferably until retirement. So I definitely feel a part of the company. I think that over the course of 43 years, eventually you just belong. The key to BUTTING's success is that employees feel valued, so they give their best. With many people, you can see that that's the case. I started working here in 1994 as a pipe layer and welder. I carried on, taking on more and more responsibility, eventually becoming managing director. I don't know any other comparable company where that's possible. That is so great what we have here at BUTTING, that employees can develop in this way. True appreciation of the employees means taking them seriously and treating them with respect, finding out and honoring what they can contribute. BUTTING thinks long-term. We think in terms of generations. We do what's right for the company and the market we work in to make sure we're still there tomorrow and the day after. We try things out with customers that no one else has ever done before, using manufacturing processes not used anywhere else in the world. Technically interesting products that nobody amongst us can imagine today. That's the future I see for BUTTING, from pure component supplier to solution supplier. We want to keep on developing, like a network spanning the globe, where individual companies can combine their individual strengths and support each other.